So once you're logged into your school-wide account to access the MackinVIA library, the first thing you're going to do is make sure you're in the My Library tab, and then you're going to select My Books. You're going to get a pop-up that says that you're leaving the school-wide account and you're going to your MackinVIA library, so you are going to press Open. So the first thing you're going to see is a breakdown of the different books that they have, and you can look at them and view them if you want to. But for the purposes of going over the assignment, we're going to come up here instead for now to the backpack icon. And you're going to scroll down and you're going to click Administrator. You're going to be brought to your administrator login page where you will log in with your Wayne email address. So to create an assignment and to assign a book to your students, you're going to come up here to the gray toolbar and select Classroom, and then select Assignments. If you have any existing assignments, you will see them here. I do not, so I'm going to hit Create New Assignment. And this looks very similar to the list of books that was available on the other side before we logged into the administrator account. Similar to that page, you can still filter by topic, by grade level, by page number, by author for a specific book you want. One thing that is important to know is if you're going to assign a book, you want to make sure that the school has access to multiple copies or unlimited access to copies. So for example, if I look underneath these titles, I only have 2 copies, 1 copy, whereas the book down here doesn't have any copies listed. And when you click on it, you can see that there's unlimited copies and the license is multi-user, which means that it's good to assign to your entire class. You don't have to worry about the number of copies then. So if this is the book you want, you're going to click on the Google Classroom icon. And a pop-up window will appear where you can share it to Classroom. From the drop-down menu, you're going to pick one of your classes. And then you're going to decide whether you want it to be an assignment, a question, an announcement, or a material. So if you want the students to interact with it and turn in something, like write a response and then turn that in along with reading the book, then you're going to click assignment. If you want students to maybe engage in a discussion or answer a single question based on the book that they're reading, you would pick ask a question. If you just want to post it to your stream on Google Classroom, just so students have access to it, but not necessarily make it an assignment, you're going to click Make an Announcement. And if you want it to become a material where the students can just click on it, read it, and they don't have to interact with it, post any work associated with it or anything, then you're going to click Create Material. The difference between these two is really just that if you click Make an Announcement, it's going to go on your Stream tab, but if you click Create Material, it's going to go on your Classwork tab. So once you've made your selection, you're going to press Go. So MackinVIA will automatically update your assignment or material or your post with the title of the book, under title, and then a description, which is the summary of the book, along with the link that students will be able to click to access the book. So if you want to edit this, you can, like if you use a specific naming convention for your assignments, or you want to add some additional directions, you can as well. So if you want to edit it, after that, you can decide whether you want it to post under a specific assignment or topic on Google Classroom. So if you are using topics and you want it to go under a specific week, you have the option to choose. You can also decide whether you want this to be assigned to all your students or just one of your students. So if you want it to be assigned to specific students, what you can do is leave the All Students box unchecked and then check off only the students who you want to see the assignment. If you want it to be all of your students, just check off the box next to all students. And then when you're ready, you can click Post. And then you can take a view of what it looks like to make sure it all posted okay for your students. And I posted mine as a classwork material, so it showed up over here. And then this is what my students will see. They'll be able to view my directions, the book summary that MackinVIA gave them, and they'll be able to click on the book and read it.